Hi class! Welcome to another episode of Math Pinadali Pilipinas. In today's video, we are going to solve another problem involving function. So let's try to solve this one. So Mark charges 120 pesos for encoding work. In addition, he charges 6 pesos per page of printed output. How many pages were printed if Mark received a payment of 600 pesos for one encoding job? Okay, let's read it again. Mark charges 120 pesos for encoding work. In addition, he charges 6 pesos per page of printed output. How many pages were printed if Mark received a payment of 600 pesos for one encoding job? Okay, so as you know from our previous videos, we solved this problem by our first step is writing the given after reading the problem. Our given, we have a fixed payment. Pag tumanggap siya ng isang encoding job, meron na agad siya makukuha 120 pesos. Let's call this as fixed payment. Okay. In addition, he charges 6 pesos per page. That's variable. This is variable, which is dependent on the number of pages. This is per page. Okay, we have 6 per page. Received a payment. How many pages were printed if Mark received a total payment of 600? We have total payment. So, for one job, nakatanggap siya na 600 pesos. 600 pesos. Okay. We have order given. What is required of us or what is asked is the number of pages. So, this is number of pages. So, denote natin as X as the number of pages. Okay. So, we have our given, our required, or what is asked. We try to solve. Okay. Our first step in solving this one is finding our function. So, our function will just look like as cost function. So, let's call this as payment function. Ano yung total payment? So, total payment is dependent of the number of pages printed. So, total payment, let's say P, is dependent on the number of pages X is equals to fixed payment. This is fixed payment plus variable. Okay? So our total payment is equals to fixed payment, which is 120 plus 6 pesos variable payment times the number of pages. Okay? Our total payment is 600 is equals to 120 plus 6x. Okay? Okay, then we try to solve for our x. So, as convention, lipat lang natin sa left side muna. Pagbalik na rin natin, lipat natin sa left side. So, we have 6x plus 120 is equals to 600. Okay. Then, solve for x. 6x is equals to 600 minus 120. Lipat natin sa kabilang side. Or basically, we add negative 120 on both sides. So, we have 6x is equals to 480. Divide natin both sides by 6. X is equals to 80 pages. Okay, ang nasolve nating value, 80. Now, before deciding if it's our final answer, check muna natin. So, to check, balik tayo dun sa naging function natin. Sabi natin ang total payment is 600. Total payment, 600. Ito yun, nasa given. So, to solve, we have P of X is equals to 120. Ito siya. Plus 6X. So, P of X, Na-solve nating value is 80. So, P of 80 is 600. So, 600 is equals to 120 plus 6 times 80. So, 600 is equals to 120 plus 480. 120 plus 480, 600. So, chinek natin. The total payment received if 80 pages ang pinrint niya is 600 pesos, which is stated in the problem. Okay? Therefore, our answer would be 80 pages. It means that for an encoding job and Mark received 600 pesos, he printed 80 pages at 6 pesos per page. Okay, so that's all, class. I hope you learned something in this video, and see you again next time. Thank you.